Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. So we're taking care of a PS5 for an HDMI port. Well, technically two PS5's HDMI ports, but they are pretty caked with dirt and dust. Try to avoid smoking near your unit, tobacco or cannabis or whatever, because it basically leads to residue and the dirt buildup is quicker, blah 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 blah. But alright, let's move forward. More buildup. And we got liquid metal displacement on both chips. I'm sorry, both chips. On the... yeah. So we got liquid metal displacement. You can see it here on the APU. And then here again on the heatsink. We'll take care of that for you. And I am on crunch time. Bunch of people want to pay extra for same day. Oh well. Alright, we're in a time crunch. Hopefully this does not become a two-part. That all taken care of for you. Focus, focus. There we go. We are back in action. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe, as well as smash that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.